In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklist in Trello. Let's start right at Trello.com. Once the page loads, head to the boards area so you can see the boards you're a member of. Open the board you want to work in. Here I'm using a sample board, and then open the specific card where you want the checklist to live. I'll open a card called Laundry so you can follow along. Inside the card, look for the checklist option and click it. A small window will appear asking for a title. Give your checklist a clear, descriptive name so everyone on the team knows what it covers. Short, action-oriented titles work best. Once you've typed the title, click Add to create the checklist. Now let's add your first task. In the new checklist, type morning as the first item. If this task belongs to a specific person, click Assign right from the item and use the search field to find the teammate you want. Select the right person so they're notified and accountable. Next, click Due Date on that same item to keep the work on schedule. A calendar opens, choose the 14th to set the date. If you see a reminder option with a checkbox, go ahead and click it to enable or adjust it, and click again if you need to toggle it off before finalizing. You can change the reminder timing from none to at time of due date, so the assignee is alerted exactly when the task is due. With the date and reminder set the way you want, click Save. Back in the checklist, let's add another line item. Click Add and type evening to capture the second part of the work. Click Add again to confirm it. As your list grows, each item can be managed on its own. For example, open the options for an item by clicking the three dots on its right. From here, you can choose Convert to Card. This is perfect when a checklist task becomes big enough to deserve its own card with labels, attachments, and separate discussions. If you changed your mind or no longer need that card, you can select Delete to remove it and keep your board tidy. Returning to the checklist, mark progress as you complete work. Click the checkbox next to evening to mark it done. When several items are checked off, you can reduce visual clutter by hiding completed tasks. Click Hide checked items to get a clean view of only what's left. If you need to review what you've finished, click Show checked items to bring them back into view. When a checklist has served its purpose and you don't need it anymore, you can remove it from the card. Click Delete in the checklist menu, then confirm by selecting Delete Checklist. This keeps your card focused only on the information that's still relevant. And when you're finished working in the card altogether, click the X in the top corner to close it and return to your board. To recap how smoothly this comes together, you opened your board and card, created a well-titled checklist, added items like morning and evening, assigned ownership, set a due date with a reminder at the time of the deadline, explored advanced options like converting an item to a standalone card, and kept things organized by hiding completed tasks. Finally, you cleaned up by deleting a no longer needed checklist and closing the card. Following this flow makes Trello checklists a powerful, simple way to break down work, make responsibilities crystal clear, and keep your team moving on time.